What you got there, Bob?
This is a saw lift, an arm lift for the DeWalt 780X grill saw.
Oh, that's great, because this thing, every time we change the blades, it will sit up by itself.
Yep. The inventor came up with it because he saw a guy actually using a 2x4 to hold it up. So he thought, I can do better than that.
Yeah, I think so.
And this is how it comes. So.
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, okay. State of the art, isn't it? So this goes, where's the instructions? This is all it came.
This is all that came.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Apparently there's a video available if you need help.
There's a video available if you need help. So there would have to be. I have no idea where this would go actually. I don't know if it would attach to the front here and drop down to hold it up, or there's really nothing here to attach it to. So we got these bolts here, so we would have to remove other bolts to put something in. You have seen the video, haven't you, Bob?
No.
Okay, so there's something here, but then we'd have to remove the lamp. So I'm not sure we can do this without. What's that little devil? So there's no nuts to the bolts. So we got 2 holes, 2 bolts, and 1 thumb screw. I have no idea.